Okay, class, today we're just going to introduce congruent triangles. All right, so there's various ways you can prove two triangles are congruent. And by proving two triangles are congruent, you're going to be able to say all their parts are congruent. So there are shortcuts here. These are the shortcuts. If you can show all three sides are congruent, side, angle, angle, side, and hypotenuse leg. Okay, there is no such thing as angle, side. Right? You shouldn't be writing that on the paper in general and in geometry. It doesn't work. It could be hypotenuse leg, and I'll go over each of those on the slides. Side. It's fairly self-explanatory. If three sides of one triangle are congruent to three sides of another triangle, the two triangles are congruent. Now, let's look at the way it's listed. A and E. A does correspond to E. It attaches the 1 and 2, the 1 and the 2. B and D. Does this B and this D go together? No, okay? It has to be in order. So this would be incorrect, okay? You have to write them in order. So we would have triangle ABC is congruent. A corresponds to E. B corresponds to F, because see how B makes the 2 and the 3, the 2 and the 3, and then C corresponds to D. Now the rest of these will be in the proper order. I did this here to show you that it is important. You have to list the triangles when they're congruent. Their corresponding vertices have to be in the same order. They have to match up, okay? As we go later on, you'll be doing that and it'll get a lot easier. But when I put it on here, it'll all work out. The next one is side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. You need the included angle, So see how these two sides and this angle is included? It's the angle created by the two sides. So it's side, angle, side. The two sides and the included angle. This, if we had that is not side, angle, side. See how that angle is not included? Then we have the, reverse angle, side, angle. The included side. See how it's angle, and the side that connects the two angles. So two triangles are congruent by angle, side, angle. Meaning you have two angles are congruent, two corresponding angles are congruent, and the included side. So far we have side, side, angle, side, which is the included angle, angle, side, angle, which is the included side. Next we have angle, angle, side, the non-included side. So we go angle, then a side outside, so it's angle, skip a side, angle. It is the non-included side, and that's how it's written, angle, then a side is third. It could look like this also. It could come here, and it could be this side. Right? Angle, side. And last, hypotenuse leg. You have to have a right triangle, because the only way you can have a hypotenuse is if you have a right triangle. So if I have a right triangle and I have the hypotenuse and a leg, it looks like angle, side, but angle, side will not work. It only works when you have a right triangle, therefore it's hypotenuse leg. I'm also going to post these notes for you, and I'm going to give you a couple problems that I want you to work out. I just want you to see, are these two triangles congruent? If they are, set them up, so find what W corresponds to N and R, and tell me why. Angle, angle, side, angle, side, or hypotenuse leg. There'll be a little lesson check here.